Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been longer, I've not been here. It's been long, but guess what? I'm back with the tutorial to sewing these shirt collars. There's so many demands on how to make this collar, and I have come to let me say is my welcome back. Let me use it as my welcome. We have a lot of videos we're going to upload, but yeah, this is what it looks like. After I was done doing everything. So keep watching and let's start. So first of all, the pattern, I'm going to place it on a fabric and cut through. If you don't know how I cut this thing, I'll be dropping a link on the comment section so that you see how I made this, how I drafted this pattern. So now, after cutting the pattern out from the fabric, now after cutting it out, then you need to cut the interfacing, and the interfacing is to give it a neat finishing, because you know shirt, now when you fold the collar, the inside of the shirt will be showing. So this is how to cut the interfacing. So you cut half of the shirt, that is, instead of cutting a full shirt, you're going to cut half of the shirt, and that's what I did here. So you just cut the exact thing that you did for the collar part, but you come to the center of your shoulder. After removing your neckline, you now cut through. That is, you're cutting like half of the shirt straight, not the other way around. So this is it. But if you're doing a full shirt, I didn't do a full shirt because of tutorial, but if you're doing a full shirt, that means you have to cut the interfacing all the way down to where the shirt stops. So after that, what we're going to be doing now is to cut the back. You know, I didn't show you guys how to draft. I don't know how to explain it, but let me show you how to cut the back. So now, you know, the normal basic borders that we did first before we started adding all this sharing that was going on here. So now you're going to fold all those lines. You can see right now I folded the shoulder line, folded the center front line. So what you're having now is your body exact measurement. So what you're having now is your body. So now you pin down and cut. You can see that it's very easy to cut the back. You just have to like cut through. You fold those lines that okay, I think if you don't know how to cut this thing, please just go back to the cutting video. I'll be dropping the link below. So now after you are done, you will mark your shoulder, which is 3 by 3. That is 3 inches. Then you go down by 1 inch. You know that this thing is collar, so we don't need the back to be deep. So you go down by 1 inch, connect the lines, and yes, you cut through. So now we have the back. Do you see how simple this is? We have the back from the same front. I didn't cut the exact line that I marked because, you know, I need extra allowance for sewing. So now what we're going to do first is placing the front to the front. That is the back front to the back front. But before that, let's line in the front. So we're going to sew these lines. Just follow the lines of the shape, you just sew through, and I will be sewing that and showing you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like after I was done. If you are doing this, notch every part to have your this fabric that I'm using was stiff, so I was unable to turn everything out. So imagine if I didn't notch it. So you notch every part that you feel like that is inside. So after notching it, I ironed it out, and this is what it's looking like. You know, it might be looking somehow here, but trust me, it's going to come out well. So now when you are done ironing your front, then this is how you'll be placing it, front to the back. That is, when you are sewing it, you start from okay, but before then you will notch that's, will I call it a V? Yes, that's a V on the neckline area. So you can see me do, just notch it. That will help you not to have a tacky sewing. Not, you know, when you finish sewing, you have something hanging on you. No. If you notch it, it will help you. So now, but the first thing you will do before then is to hold the two center back. That is the center back of the two fronts. You know, the front, it has the way it is. So that's where that center back, that place that will be at the back, you will first of all hold it, then you will notch at the back pattern where is the center. This will help you to not sew to one side, or one side will be longer than the other side. So now you place it right side to right side, and you get the center of the front and match it with the center of the back and pin. This will require you to pin so that you don't. Now look, see what I did here. I didn't sew the two of them at the same time. No, what I did was I sewn the first one. The first one, you sew it, then you use the second one to cover it. I will be showing you. So here I have sewn it and I will be covering it. I will be showing you. If you look very closely, you will see that first one that you sewn, you will use the second one to sew it. That will make your work very neat, very, very, very neat. Because a shirt, when you are seeing it from the outside, you're almost seeing the inside color. So top stitching it like this will make your work neat. Remember, the first one front to front is to sew it straight. Then the interfacing for the front is to use it to top stitch. When you are top stitching, only stop at that point where you notch. You can weave your remaining part, or you can fold it if you want. I didn't fold mine because I said I will weave it later on. So you just top stitch from that point that you notch to the other point that you notch. That's the only place that you need to top stitch, so you don't have a tacky neckline. So after I was done, I ironed it out, and yes, the shirt was like, this is so fast. This won't take you more than 2 hours to make. This was so fast. Then try to iron out well. This type of sewing demands that you iron well. It demands that you iron well. So ironing well, or ironing out your fabric to your taste, like you can see me do, I have to use my hand to place it where I want it to be. And yes, you can see me trying to place the buttons and see how it will look with the buttons. This is just me trying to try out different things. Imagine if the shirt is full, you can just do a shirt, or you can do pressing button, anything that you want to do. This is the outcome. I'll be showing you a more look. It's just simple, very, very simple, and nothing complicated. If you have any questions, just drop it on the comment section and I will be attending to it. Look at this beauty that we made. Look again. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and keep watching. Please don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be getting more of this. If you have any question or anything that you want me to teach or to do a tutorial on, drop it on the comment section and I will be there now to attend to you. Keep watching. Subscribe. Thank you.